dial-up. That was your internet connection. AOL was huge. I actually still have an AOL account. But thankfully, technology has advanced, and with it, prices have dropped. My name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 4, Number 4, which is discussing the astronomical price that web hosting once was. Web hosting service charges businesses a one-time setup fee of $350 plus D dollars for each month. If the business owner paid $1,010 for the first 12 months, including the setup fee, what is the value of D? So, what do we have here? Well, first off, the first piece of information for a long word problem, it's always good to do it in pieces as you go. The first piece of information you get is the setup fee is $350. So this is the y-intercept in disguise. How do I know it's a y-intercept? Well, when you see the word initial or starting, or when it says setup fee, really that's your starting cost. So you know that your y-intercept is 350. So if you were in y equals mx plus b, then you know 350's your b. I'm gonna put it right there. What else? Well, anytime you see the word each or every or per or then you know you have your slope. So what's our slope here? Well, it says here it's D dollars for each month. So D is actually your slope, and the months is actually your x. That's what we're solving for. Then the business paid $1,010 for the first 12 months. That's your total cost. So I'm going to put that over here. And now what do you have to do in order to solve it? This is with calc math. So I'm going to pull up my high-tech calculator over here. And so the first thing you've got to do is actually, you got to subtract 350 from both sides. And it cancels here, and I get dx equals, and then I pull up my high-tech calculator, and I get 1,010 minus 350. And you get that it's $660. Oh, actually, one thing that I did not do is I did not put my 12 in for x. So I'm going to put that right here. So now it's 12D is usually what you see, D12, same thing. Divide both sides by 12. It looks like I'm going to wind up with 55. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with linear equations, especially word problems. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.